you're a star because you're not far. You are the best and not the worst. You will make it because you don't fake it, because you are a star. Angibingelele mbukeli ehlelweni lakho Tandla neNkhondlo lokubingelelako unfortunate Mabuza. Mbukeli ehlelweni lakho Tandla neNkhondlo sitakulethela neNkhondlo kanye naloyo lo wenda umsebenzi weTandla. Sitawucala ngaye ke mbukeli neNkhondlo wetfana omuhla lokungu Binocular. Uthi ke Binocular ke uyarapper, but niyati ukuthi umuntu nangabe uyi-rapper, obviously uyaba yi-poet.
I remember staring at the stars as a kid, saying I wanna feel this feeling for as long as I live. And I could do anything long as my God's in the plot. And I could jump to the moon if I give it all that I got. I could crash, I could burn, I could possibly drop. But failure will never turn me to somebody I'm not. And I could maybe lose it all, yeah, maybe I won't. They say I'm crazy if I try, say I'm crazy if I don't, here I go. I will never let fear control my life. I don't know where I'm going, but then I know it's right. They say success never happens overnight, but I keep on working like I know it's might. I'm so in line with the vision. I don't fight intuition. I'm being guided by someone who knows the die for the mission. I'm getting right in position.
Binocular is neNkhondlo. I am a music producer, a rapper, and a poet.
Okay.
I've been in the industry for 8 years, and I've been in the country for quite a long time. I've been top 8 in the MTN Spotlight competition. There's a competition that I was in 2020, competing with Poetic General and all the likes. I was number 3.
Okay, so Mbalele, it looks like you've achieved the poetry industry. So Bobando 77 when it comes to poetry.
I've worked with Olive the Poet mostly.
Okay.
Poetic General, MH, Poet Mcebo, and Fleminic. I'm currently working with him on an EP.
Okay.
He's recording an EP nowadays. He's going to release it in August. Then I've released an album with Binocular Poetess entitled neNkhondlo.
Okay.
It came out last year in December.
Okay. So yini lokufundzile kulabo soNkhondlo songibalele bona?
What I've learned is my poets acabanga kakhulu.
Let me tell you how it feels like. Seeing mama crying ain't appealing. She used to cry, I could look at her, wipe off her tears to comfort her. But then I told her better days are coming. Then I was hoping that they really do. I'm reminiscing about all the times I had some diamonds of hope. Mama could not afford soap. I kept on drowning in sorrow, passionate about tomorrow, praying for miracles. Some people saying nothing for mahala. Sometimes in Kala I get pa oxyzanga. Negative thoughts could filter my head, but my mama strong. She kept on thinking ahead. Man, I still remember 2007. I went to school to design a dream, full self-esteem and scoring some goals. Making mama proud is what I should do, and I'ma work until my mama's so proud of me. Mama, you're always a part of me, and I just wanna see you proud of me. You my blessing in advance, mama, and I will never let you down, mama. You always find a way to improvise, always smiling just to hide the scars. Truth is hidden in between the lies, and I'm growing up, I can realize that you're always looking out for me, and I'll forever thank you. I'm not even scared of screaming out loud, oh mom, I love you. I could never ever doubt you. Your son's gonna be a star. One day I'll be a star.
I've learned that poets are so overthinkers. I overthink so much.
Okay, speaking of my poets, I'm overthinkers. What is it that inspires you when you are writing the poems?
My inspiration comes from within. I aim to teach, motivate, and inspire.
Okay.
Basically, that's what I do.
All right.
Yeah.
So, Glasoba perform medley. What is the feedback?
They want more content.
Okay.
So far, they want more content. I haven't been able to release an album yet because I'm waiting on the MTN Spotlight again. I want to join this year again because last year I got eliminated on the top 8 eliminations.
Okay.
So this year I'm hoping that maybe I'll make it to top 3.
Were you doing poetry or was society in the rap?
I was on the rap category.
Okay. I know, but when you are doing a rap, obviously you are doing a poetry because guba nema rhyme.
Exactly. Rap is rhymes and poetry, so it's the same thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
5 years.
Yeah.
I see myself owning my own studio.
Okay.
Having my own arts and entertainment company.
Okay.
Not in the country, but Africa-wise. That's
Okay.
gonna be catering for artists nationwide, like in the country.
Okay.
Yeah.
That sounds like a big dream. So ngiyathi ukuthi emaphupho akumele ukuthi kube liphupho nje ukuthi uhledi uyacabanga. What is it that you are doing now when it comes to kusita labanye bantfu labafisile kuba ama poets?
On the 21st of May, I hosted a poetry competition.
Okay.
It was entitled The Showcase, where poets came to compete, and the grand prize was a recording session with me and 500 emalangeni.
Okay.
Yes.
So basitakala in bantfu.
Yes, basitaka.
Okay. So now we have a sita. What can you say to bantfu labanema talent but they are scared of kuphumela ngephandle babone ngabanye bantfu?
It's actually hard, fairly, because ku society, they don't just accept us like that. They say charity begins at home, but here at home, there's no support here. I'm getting support outside, so I'm saying, let them go outside. Let them not stay in their comfort zone and say, no, mina ngwasekupheleni as I am, and just stay ekupheleni hoping that you're gonna make it ekupheleni. Go outside. I'm much famous outside than I am here at home.
Okay. So what is it that motivated you since uthi bungayithola support less sufficient around lo hlala khona? So what is it that made you ukuthi uqhubeke ube ngule poet lo ngiyo yona namuhla?
Connections. I
Okay.
can say that I was in a studio one day, and they liked what I was doing. From then on, it was easy. It became easy since I'm also a producer. So as I'm touring around in the studios, I'm able to connect with other people, which is why artists should network. Networking is very much important as an artist, because the 10 pillars of a successful artist say that talent is the 10th thing. It's not the important thing. The first thing is networking and branding. You should brand yourself as an artist. Singing a social media account here, singakhanzi ema memes. Let's find you busy. Let's find you working. Let's find your projects out there.
Okay. So when now saqala, if you can tell me now saqala kwenda ema poems, what is it that made you ukuthi ubonakale ukuthi ukhona Binocular the poet? So that sistokhona kusitana labanye labafise kuba njengawe namuhla.
My first advice would be, if you're in school, take that platform seriously.
Okay.
I went to school at Londunduma High School. I finished my Form 5. I wrote my paper in March, like this March, yes. I took the initiative at school, where I was competing with other schools, representing the school, debates, poetry competitions, and all the like. So that exposed me to actually getting used to what I'm doing and making a living out of it.
Okay. Bebakusupporteni esikolweni, ekhaya, friends?
A lot.
Okay.
I was getting a lot of support.
So kahle, in order for you to be successful when it comes to art ni poetry, you need the support around the people ohlala nabo.
Exactly. You need to be supported by the people you're with, and then you need to convince the people out there to love you for who you are.
Okay. So what is it that you can say to bantfu labakubukelayo right now in terms of support and in terms of taking your talent serious?
I can say that in the industry, especially the Eswatini industry, we don't have much. We're not getting paid, and we don't have copyrights, which means they can steal your craft and make a living out of it. But then I can say, write that piece of poetry, publish it on the newspaper, make sure that your name is there, put it on social media, recite your videos and put them on YouTube. Because I'm here, I'm a talent producer too. I'm gonna find you, I'm gonna get to you, call you to the studio. You see, that's how you get to get exposed to everyone else. That's how you get it. Olive, for example. Olive ngahlangana naye ka Facebook. Ngangena ku inbox ngasi cela sisebenze. She recorded her first projects with me. She won a competition le Escombeni. She was with me.
Okay.
By that time, 2020.
Okay. Lokusho ukuthi ngalama magama uthi loyo lofise kuba ngiNkhondlo or lo hlabelako akatibonakalise in order for you guys ukuthi nimsida?
Akativete, talent will not do anything ihleli. Kufuna ukuthi uphume ukhangase labantu.
It's a blue morning and I'm feeling kinda low. See, I ain't tryna be poetic, but I'm feeling low. I gotta pack my things, get ready for the show. I got the spirit of a winner, but nobody knows. I got a couple flows, got a couple mistakes, couple of imperfections I could never ever fix. But each and every verse I drop gotta make sense, so I could give myself a life and a couple cents. Wait, I don't wanna descend, I don't wanna bite the dust, I don't wanna pretend. I just wanna be myself, that's a 10 out of 10. I just wanna be myself, and that's a 10 out of 10. Cause I've been played a couple times, I cried a lot of times. I'm reminiscing about the times I was made a fool. I think about it till I cry cause it wasn't cool. Sometimes I even thought of dropping out of school. My struggle is something I really went through. Most of whom was face to face, some of whom was mental. Just to get my feelings out, I had to push a pencil. When I chop this beats, eat 'em up, use my utensils. I never thought I could make it. Never really understood the fact that I was the greatest. Now I do it for the love of the game, not for the ladies. I've been abbreviated, unappreciated. Now I come on top, I'm still anticipated. I started from the bottom and I'm glad that I'm here. I'm glad that I'm here. They said that I'd never make it, said that I'd never prosper. This young man is gonna get himself an Oscar. No matter the opposition, I know that I'm a conqueror. Wait, it got me feeling like a rock star.
That was Binocular the Poet. Ngiyethemba mbukeli ukuthi kuningi lokufundzile ku Binocular, and of course utawusuka endzaweni lapho bantfu banga appreciate khona umsebenzi lo wendako. Futhi lapho wakhe khona bese uyahamba uya lapho batobona khona ukuthi cha lo msebenzi lo wendako unguwo sibili. Mbukeli, nengihlale ngisho ukuthi umsebenzi lo wendako ungawuthatheli phansi. Chubeka nangabe nje uyipoet, chubeka ubhale, uthathe licingo lakho na nelicingo. Utishuthe urekhode usende bambatobona ukuthi lo msebenzi lo wendako unguwo, futhi nawe utawugcina ugaine yona iconfidence. Mbukeli, asichubeke nalo lihlelo siye kuye Mcebo Sifundza lotfe bako. Umsebenzi wakhe ke mbukeli muhle sibili nje ngathi uthathe camera athi cha cha kanti cha akusinjalo.
Nawusemncane kuyenteka uthanda imoto nabo Popeye lokwangi-inspirisha. Nangibona imoto ngithi ngifisa kuyidveba from kuwakha imoto ngedihwayela uthi hayi man nangabe ngingakhona kuyakha ngehwayela ngentanga ngikhona kuyidveba. So imoto boPopeye nawumbona lapha ku TV uthi hayi man leli line ngingakwenda nami, ugcina ukwenda lokho kwa-inspirisha ukuthi ngichubeke nako. And then nawusakhula uthi hayi man nakusho ukuthi nemuntu ngingamenda, ngingasusa njani uPopeye ngimende umuntu, bese sokufunda bo shading nabo perspective bayangena lapho. Ngolokwangi-inspirisha kakhulu labo Popeye netimoto lokangudveba kakhulu eklasini kwi-exhibition yami eklasini ngoba bengingasiko ngedwa, bekunalabanye bafana namantombazane besidveba nabo. Sihle sikhompyutha ukuthi ngibani lo todveba ngiyabekisa imoto, ngibani lo todveba i-Isuzu kahle, ngibani lo todveba i-Toyota kahle nalo muntu. So nangisakhula spotlights bo international noma ke national exhibition bengasitholi, but nje bekuba ngilama class nebangane emakhaya nasiyovakashela nasitshengisana ukuthi mina sengifunze lokho, mina sengifunze lokho. Ngiyacela ukusifaka isandla semdala kuloko ngoba kuletinye tinto tendeka tinto ungakatinaki, kuyenteka kakhulu ungakatinaki na utibuta ukuthi ngifike njani la. But nje practical wise ngiko lokuthi ufuna kuba ngcono kunayitolo entweni lo yendaba. Njengoba ngishito ukuthi uyatibuta ukuthi ngingasuka kanjani uPopeye ngekumuntu, because uPopeye ususele kumuntu labaningi ama characters. So uthi manje okay ngalo sengidveba Popeye ngingenda njani kususa Popeye ngiyise kumuntu, ngaleyo ndlela uya upgrade. Nasufike kumuntu kuyende kumdveba umuntu but kube bethele detail le enough. Please utibuta na ufike khona ukuthi okay sengila kuze ukuthi kube bethi difference kule picture lenginayo mina nalele ngifuna kuyakha, cause kuna two ama pictures. Kunesithombe na usaqala kudraw ukuthi nangicetha ngifuna sibe kanje, bese sekuba nalele sikhona na usasidveba. So along the way lamkhathini kule period ngilapho khona utibuta ukuthi ngingenda njani ukuthi ngende kangcono. Ngokuthi isandla semdali siyafaka because letinye tinto awutikhethele kuba igrace nje ukuthi yathi ukuthi nginakho because ukholo ofisa kokwenza but angakhona. So ngingafaka igrace 1. 2 ngafaka i-social media nayo iyasifaka sandla because uyakubuka ku-internet before ngifike kubangani nje ukuthi bengingeda kuwe ngilobuta ukuthi ngingenta njani ukuthi ngibe ngcono kunalokho. So kuletha into lethu utakufaka nekulalela kwakho ukuthi ube ngimuvi nje lolalelayo ukuthi hayi nabathi anginde lokho ngikwenza but ucala ukubuka ukuthi kuyasebenza yini. Akusiko intfo elikhuni kakhulu nangabe kulanga kuwo. Ngiyangijabulisa nje nawuthi nangabe uyafisa because kukosa ukuthi kucalela kuwe. Nangabe mina ngidaya kuwe ngithi ngifuna kukwendisa ngento kasigcine sesihishana. But nangabe ufisile kukosa abe nalo lithando lalento. Abe nako nekubeketela ukuthi nangabe kungenzeki ngalendlela lafisa ngayo. Angaveli nje ashiye konke phasi. Angakushiya phasi namuhla. Kepha na kusasa nangithi kusasa ngisho kusasa sengisho nje in the long run. Aphindza avuke nakho. Ngoba nama kusho ukuthi ngidlebe 24/7. Khona la ngiyekele khona na usafunza eclassini khona isikhathi lapho khona umdadisha. Noma kuthola umsebenzi ngento kubuye ekhaya ebusiniwe. So ngisho kona ukuthi nangabe unelithando lento nangabe namhlunga kakhona ukwenza but leku unako lokufisa nalokubeketela ungagcina ufike la ufuna khona na ubeketele unalelithando nesikhathi ngoba lokuthanza ukuniketa isikhathi ubokwenda uhluleke phinze uyekele ukwenda uhluleke uyekele ngiloko lokuthathu uthando sesikhathi nalokubeketela nalokunye ke lokuningi nesengibala nje lengikucabanga noma lokungisidile ngingaduma nama-advisor kahle yini but ngakosa alifunela isito eceleni kubantu ngoyi-specialist bakhulile emacinisweni onke kukhona tinto lesiye sitifune but kwanza ukuthi siyi-ability ekutenda ngingokuthi akafuna i-guidance ngoba sometimes uye emanzawonye nento loyifisako but ungakhona ukuyi-achieve and sivamise kutshelana lokuthi no zama yebo kona kuzama kukhona but kosa ukuthi ubute kulabadzala nangisho labadzala ngisho la sebanetimvu noma tilevu sengisho nje kule industry nalabanetimvu ngababuta but nje kule industry lo relate kiyo ukuthi yathi ngizamile ngafika la ngenda njani so batok advise kubona ukuthi no i-potential unayo kule field le iya esikolweni noma ufake limasela bangatak advise kanzi lo munye njengoba ngishito ukuthi sokum-advise asuke ehlala endzawonye isikhathi lesidze kanzi he was meant for something else so I would say she or he must seek advice. Imakethe ikhona inengi sengukuthi nje umuntu usenda lokwendako kosa utibute ukuthi ngabe wena lo lokwendako ungakuthenga yini imakethe uyatakhela ukuthi mina ngifuna ukuthengisela baphi bantu le ngikwendako kutawuhlala kubiphi indlu kubaphi bantu so imakethe ikhona nase uyendile lento lo yendako wena laba kuthandzako bayeta batokubuka uma ngabe umfa kuthengile kanye nangabe utinikete isikhathi nelithando lalento utawubuya kwesibili so nje ngisho ukuthi ekhathi Eswatini imakethe ikhona yingendi ngoba akusiko futhi mina ngedwa lokwenda le pencil le charcoal fine art bakhona labanye so kusho kona ukuthi ikhona imakethe nangephandle ke kwalelive ikhona kuko konke lokwendako usebenzisana ukwadi kusebenzisana nebantu ukwadi kubudlelwane bakho nebantu ubugcine bungilobuphilile nalobuhle cabanga ukuthi lokho noma ungabe wenda muphi umsebenzi eTandla kungakusita elibangeni lelitse yes ngoba sibantu sihambe sihlangane embili so uma ngabe ngingakuphathi kahle namuhla ngenteke nizabe ngagcini namuhla kusasa ngilaphinza ngikubona kanti ke noma abasicabani uma ngabe nje ngikuphethe kahle wena ngalinye ilanga utakungikhumbula ukuthi hayi man kanti nasisebenza nangomsebenzi nangwetandla nami ngacela lijaha ukuthi lingidwebe la ngidweba kahle lalizange ligcine ngaloko ngidweba kahle la ngiphatha nakahle so yalikhumbula engqondweni ukuthi hayi simphindise ngilibite so nje i-advice lenkulu kungaba ukuthi kuko konke lesikwentako asiphathaneni kahle kube ngimi lokucala kuphatha kahle lomunye nami kulelo hlangothi ngiyatikhulumisa angisho kulomunye kepha nakimi ngiyatikhulumisa ukuthi angibe ngilophatha kahle labanye ucela wangibuta ukuthi what inspired me ukuthi ngidwebele isithombe lesi nawusangibuta emuva ngithi manje ngemakethe labantu lobadwebelako uyabakhetha nalomuntu lomdwebelako kuthi ngabe kukhona into lehlukile lengayenda kulesithombe lesi ngoba sonke siyadweba ngiyabekisa but yini letawenda ukuthi lokwami ehluke nalolo komunye so lokwa inspiration lesithombe lesi nje ngile glass ukuthi hayi kule glass lekhona kuhlukile mina ngingafaka iwayini lephilako la ngekhathi nangithi lephilako ngisho ukuthi imbamba so nga-inspiration ngiloko nale position lemekiyo yangi-inspiration so-ke ngagcina sengisendile ngakosa ukuthi phindze ngithenge ngalelo wayini ngidalifaka la ngekhathi so ngisithanda kakhulu ngalo mehluko loyo umehluko waso nje ukuthi sona sinale glass lakhathi lengikhonako ukuthela le wayini
Mbukeli sothi bonele-ke nawe ukuthi emaswati ayatimisela etinfeni latendako nawe-ke nalona lohlala naye lohlala athi yathi mina mzala ngiyakwati kukolosha azomtshela ukuthi mzala awungikoloshe ecatfulo ngidakuniketa nang-100 nawa nginika lo 100 mzala uchubeke wende lo msebenzi lomuhle ngetandla takho. Mbukeli sitawubonana evikini elitako ngaso sikhathi esifanako. Goodbye and God bless.